Hi guys! Today we are going to make a sandwich. First we have to cut the tomatoes and onions. Next we have to mix them well. Then we add the chili powder, pepper powder and salt. We have to mix it very well. Next we have to put the butter on the bread. We have to put the chopped onions and tomatoes on the breads with the cheese. Next we have to put the sauce. Next we have to put the cheese on the sauce. Next we have to put the sauce on the cheese. We have to put the bread on the sandwich. Next we have to put the sandwich on the pan. We have to press it 2 times and flip it. Flip it. And we have to put the oil and butter. Now the sandwich is ready. It's so yummy. It is so yummy.